The vote was non-binding but continues a decade-long debate on campus about the appropriateness of using a people to promote the school and its sports teams. Ramona Perez is director of the Center for Latin American Studies at SDSU and says the course is in response to that conversation.
This is a reaction to respect, to notions of respect. The idea that we could learn the language across a student body sufficient to understand how to use it as part of our being a San Diego State Aztec, I think is important.
Perez says, as with any language, learning Nahuatl will give students insight into a unique worldview. Vicky Caballero grew up speaking it and offers this example from a book of sayings.
Sansan tleino, katzokoltzin, mictlan, am amati. So in English, this is saying, up and down the well, I got used to hell. So Mictlan is referencing the underworld that is part of the Nahuatl world vision.
Caballero is studying efforts to revive and preserve the language and will assist students in the course.
It's very motivating and encouraging to know that now more individuals are going to be becoming aware of the beauty and the splendor of this language that is not dead, it's very much alive. And hopefully this will be an entry into them learning more about the other worlds that are in Mexico.
The class is being live streamed from the University of Zacatecas and starts next semester. Megan Burks, KPBS News.